AI has made thousands of investors rich in recent years, and this ETF lets you own a piece of that growth. It's not just any fund. This is the backbone of the tech boom. In this video, I'll break down the SOXX ETF in detail, what it is, how it works, its performance, and whether it truly deserves a spot in your portfolio. Part 1. What is SOXX? SOXX stands for the iShares Semiconductor ETF. It was launched in 2001 and is managed by BlackRock under the iShares brand, one of the largest asset managers in the world. The goal of SOXX is simple. It aims to track the performance of the U.S. semiconductor sector, the companies that design and manufacture computer chips. These chips are inside phones, cars, AI servers, gaming consoles, and data centers. If technology runs the world, semiconductors are the engine. Part 2. Key characteristics. This ETF is a passive fund, meaning it tracks a specific index rather than relying on an active manager to pick individual stocks. With an expense ratio of just 0.34%, it's cost-efficient and accessible for long-term investors. The fund manages over $22 billion in assets as of the making of this video, making it highly liquid and heavily traded. It holds around 30 to 35 of the top semiconductor and tech companies, giving investors concentrated exposure to the heart of innovation. While its dividend yield is low, usually around 0.5%, this ETF isn't about income, it's about growth. SOXX is a pure play on technological innovation, letting you ride the wave of the next tech boom instead of chasing short-term payouts. Part 3. Top holdings. SOXX is heavily concentrated in the leaders of the semiconductor industry, giving investors exposure to the companies driving the tech revolution. Its top holdings typically include companies such as Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, Micron, Qualcomm, and Texas Instruments. These companies dominate their markets because they control critical technology patents, supply chains, and innovation, making them the first to benefit when industries like AI take off. Simply put, investing in this ETF means owning a piece of the backbone of modern technology. Part 4. Performance. Over the past decade, SOXX has delivered astronomical returns of around 27%, outperforming the broader S&P 500 and most other growth ETFs. That said, it can be more volatile during downturns, as the semiconductor industry is cyclical by nature. During periods of strong innovation, SOXX tends to surge aggressively, capturing massive gains. But for investors with a long-term vision and faith in technology, these returns can remain impressive and relatively steady over time, making SOXX a compelling growth-focused play for the future. Part 5. Why invest in SOXX? Investing in SOXX means you believe in the future of AI and data centers, the rise of electric vehicles and smart devices, and the continued global demand for computing power. This ETF gives you targeted exposure to the companies building the brains behind modern technology, all without having to pick individual stocks. If you're a believer in innovation and the long-term potential of technology, SOXX isn't just a fund. It's a way to ride the wave of the next tech revolution. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing $100 every week for 30 years, and SOXX continues delivering the 27% returns it has achieved over the past decade. Your portfolio could skyrocket to over $23 million. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.